You ain't in the mood, bro?
The gate code don't even work, fool.
What? How it don't work?
They gotta put it in, bro. It don't work.
What you mean?
It don't work. That's what I mean, bro.
Hey, f all that. That Banshee right there, fam. Ooh. Good morning. Good. I had to take my son to go get a haircut today, man. Y'all good? Gotta make sure he crispy, man. Can't have my son out here looking too bad. Love you, boy. Yeah.
You said that.
Hey, you welcome, son. You know what I had a thought of, right? While I was sitting there watching you get your haircut, son. You wanna do like a top speed run?
We can.
I think we should do the Banshee, bro. Cause I would've did my 400 day, but you know. Niggas telling me bullshit, so now I gotta rebuild my shit, be done by next week. Ain't gonna lie, Barbara got you right, son.
Real, huh? Shout out to boy Tony, bro.
Shout out to that boy Tony. Tony on the Tony. Yo, let's do it, man.
You it. Shout out, they feeling you popping like skillets do. Nobody really shoot, keep it a Honda. He do a bitch and do barking like ceilings do. Can't even.
I ain't gonna cap, bro. I might be sick of these Banshee niggas, bro. Dude sent us the location. We had to find it ourselves. Ain't nobody here. We the first ones here. Like a staple gun or something. GT fam, man, welcome to a new video. Hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 100K. We should be there by next month, man. We gonna run the story down, right? 3 weeks, almost to a month ago, right? My boy blew up his 1992 Banshee, man. Y'all seen that video? If you haven't, I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can go back and watch that. Now, we gonna go back before that. We went and bought him a limited edition 2003 350 Banshee that he done brought back to life. Joint looking A1 crispy. This might be my favorite one. But I see he did something different. Y'all know he be running the DMC pipes, 916, what's these called? The Aliens? This is a whole different look for me, bro. You still do YouTube, bro?
Yes.
One Tony Stunts?
One Tony Stunts on YouTube.
You do vapor honing stuff, right?
Yeah, I do vapor honing. Follow me on Instagram at Stunts Vapor Honing.
Okay. Everything will be linked down below, man. Also follow me on all social media. LEEKI0 is my Instagram. Leek.GT is my TikTok.
Say I've been grinding for a while. Oh, it going down. You it. Open your ears and close your mouth. Oh, it's the voice of the South. Mike Jackson, just like Dayshun. I just bought a new glizzy, this bitch.
So out of all the bikes, if you're a real one, right? The first ever video we did, 03, right? Regular 03, not the limited edition. And y'all know his 92 is the white and blue one. And then now we got the 03 limited edition, black and yellow.
We got 94.
94? Oh, the purple and yellow one. Damn. Red and black one. The Laker color one. The 92 and this 03 right here. Which one right now is y'all favorite one? This is my favorite one, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Hey man, we're gonna let that Banshee do the talk in this video, man. Sheesh! Hey, that bitch sounds so good. You think it needs something done? Right now, he said he opening the air screw. What that do right there? Opening the air screw.
Clean the bike out.
Him opening that air screw, right? You can definitely hear the difference. Before that had like a little bit of rasp to it. Now it sounds like it opened up a little bit more. Cut the gas. Buttery.
It sound good.
Do you see my eyes, bro? Bro, that motherfucker fast as hell. It's like that bitch trying to rip you off. Woo! Hey, that's the one right there, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you. You ride that bitch like a car, bitch. Nigga did come through rumbling. Sounding like thunder. Okay. Them boy hot dogging from the side today. Okay. That's the best one, ain't it?
Sharper.
It's
Not faster, sharper. Like, look at this.
You gonna win? don't know.
He come out at first.
I like the Raptor, man. Yeah. Oh, boom. You gonna be ready? Boom. No, all right, so boom.
Boom, down. Up and down.
Yeah.
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 Do a test one. So, point.
On point, you gonna lock in. Lock in.
Yeah.
That boy cheating. Hey, look. Hey, I'm gonna go like this, bro. No pointing, bro. I'm gonna go like this. Yeah. Hey, no point. Hey, get it a little closer.
You know, you like holding that shit.
Bro, I know. So stay locked. Get it a little closer, bro. Let me know you ready. Ain't one going that fast, boy. You put your drag.
I'm doing my bike. Foot drag one hand. It don't matter. I'm just doing my bike.
You know it's on my white bike.
You know what my bike? My bike stop.
Hey, my white bike though. I don't like stop bike. I need that in.
So this got that in, so do it.
That bit busting.
You do it.
That bit
I
busting.
don't ride
You been
it
practicing it.
on my bike.
It's down money. Do it. How about this? You know hands standing up and sitting down.
You think I can?
I don't see you do it.
That's because I don't like doing it for real.
That's how I feel about the drag.
No!
Hey man, I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. Make sure y'all continue to hit that subscribe button if y'all enjoy this content. Hit the like button, man. I love every single one of y'all, man. We out of here.